Morning. I don't know what I'm doing. Unfortunately, the auberge is booked tonight. I would have really liked to have a day to sort of gather my thoughts. I need to change some money, but how much money? I don't know how long I'm going to stay. Shall I get a SIM card or not? Which route am I even going? There's things I'd like to see in the west, but I know from last year the police will follow me if I'm anywhere near the Algerian border, and that is a miserable experience. So I guess I'll take a route down through the guts of the country. I already did a pretty substantial loop last year, so I'll go down through the centre, I suppose. I don't know what there is to see there. I don't know if the police will follow me. I'll work it out as I go. I'm leaving town in the direction of Béja, about 70 kilometres away. I've changed money for a couple of weeks. I'm still undecided about the SIM card. Tunisia block your phones, your imported phones, IMEI after 30 days, but I've got a new phone since I was last here, so that shouldn't be a problem. Nice tailwind for the morning. Assalamu alaikum. شوي شوي. شكرا. مويان. Nice to eat one of my favourite sandwiches again. It even comes with a little salad on the foil. Super sweet, sugary tea. It's all coming back to me now. Tunisian auberge number 2, not bad. It also comes with an ensuite, this one with a bathtub and a window through to next door's bathroom. There's also a bit of a peephole in the door, so I'll plug that up. But otherwise, not bad. Time for a quick spin around Beja. I heard there's a local cheese made in Beja. Salam alaikum. Got my local cheese and I've not been allowed to pay. It's a convenient then, so nice. I've forgotten about Tunisian. Bought my Tunisian SIM, and for the first time in my life on the sandy Tunisian streets of this village I have 5G. Never in my life have I had 5G on my phone. My guess is this the women's section, but there's no signs. Not much to see here. Sometimes you get a nice view from the women's section, but it's curtained off here. Perhaps they'll let me visit the men's section. السلام عليكم. واحد lemonade من فضلك. واحد. Thinking about Tunisian lemonade since I got back in the country. Oh my god, so good. A nice man has just brought me labia. Cheers, bathroom beers. I'm not actually sure if the auberge allows drinking, so I'm just gonna hide out in the absolute bomb site that is my room right now. Cheers.